back for another update. Let's take a look at XRP over here. And nothing has changed in regards to yesterday's update. I'm still very bullish on XRP. Going back to January 2023, we had that 5-wave move up in the form of a leading diagonal or an ascending broadening wedge, with the 5th wave topping out at the 1.236% extension. And then we came down in a WXY correction, which lasted a little bit over 1 year. You can see that this Y wave went ahead and wicked down to the 786 at 38 cent, and then we saw a rapid incline to the upside, going a little bit over 65%. Now that rapid incline that we saw here right after we wicked down to the 786 is a telltale factor or a telltale sign of this over here being our bottom at 38 cent. So it does look like the macro bottom is in, and now we're just grinding out our sub waves to the upside for our third wave, for our third leg. Because remember, this over here would be considered your wave 1, right? This is your wave 1, came down for a wave 2, and now we're just grinding out our sub waves within our wave 3. If we scale down here to the hourly time frame, going back to July 5th, we have our first leg in the market for our wave 3. So this, we can consider this our wave 1 of our macro third wave, and then you come down for an ABC correction for your possible wave 2. So this over here could be your sub wave 1 of 3, and this over here could be your sub wave 2 of 3. However, there is a possibility that this correction is a little bit more complex than it may seem, right? Because we only went up after coming down here in a 3-wave move, and then we started to fall from there, and then we fell from this bearish ascending channel. Okay, so yes, there is a possibility that this over here, this right over here, so I'll show you guys this. Okay, so definitely XRP is bullish because we have a bullish inverted head and shoulders pattern over here. All it takes is for price to rally like this, and then we can confirm a bottom. But if it does rally like that, it will likely be very fast, and it wouldn't allow the average trader or the average retail investor to buy in. Right, I do think that it would be a rapid rise if it were to go up now. So now there's something I must make you aware of, and it's these fibs over here. Okay, so what you're gonna want to do is come to your chart here on the hourly time frame, take a fib from this high at 0.63 down to this low at 0.5545, and you want to look at all of these fibs over here. As long as XRP remains under this ascending channel over here, as long as it remains under this resistance and under 0.6140 at the 78.6% fib, then it's likely we'll have a little bit more of a complex correction, and we will come to have more manipulation down over here towards the lower fibs. Okay, it would likely come to around, so it can reverse at any of these fibs below, but knowing how XRP operates over the years, it does tend to come towards the 702, 786, and that's sitting at around 49 to 47 cent. Okay, so going forward, XRP bulls, what they want to see is, number one, a move back above this trend line resistance over here, and then a move above this red region. You see this red region over here? This is what XRP bulls want to see on the 4-hour time frame. If XRP on the 4-hour time frame can get it back above 0.614, then it's likely we'll go ahead and play out that pattern of the inverted head and shoulders pattern. Okay, so I'll show you guys over here. Okay, so this is the inverted head and shoulders, right? In order to confirm this, XRP bulls would want to get over this 702, 786. If you get over this on the 4-hour, then it's likely we'll have continuation to the upside. And then this over here would be the bottom of your inverted head and shoulders pattern, sitting at 0.554. Okay, so in order to confirm that this over here this over here is our bottom, and this move over here was a bear trap, this move right over here, XRP bulls must get over this red region over here. Okay, and that's at the 70.2 to 78.6% fib, sitting at 0.6073 and 0.614. So XRP bulls must get over that on the 4-hour time frame so we can confirm that this in fact was just a bear trap. This is your low, and now we're going to continue higher from there to fulfill the pattern of our inverted head and shoulders. Okay, otherwise we'll likely just come up to the fib retracements, to any of these fibs above, and then see a little bit more of a greater manipulation to the downside to any of the fibs below. Okay, and it would be coming down to back test this trendline support that we've been using since July 5th. You see, you used it once over here, used it twice over here on August 5th, just a month after this low. So on July 5th, you used it. On August 5th, you used it. Now, there is a possibility we come down here one more time to use it as support before rallying towards this horizontal resistance sitting at 0.6432. You would likely see a check back from there and then continuation higher. Okay, so there's two scenarios. One scenario suggests that we're just going to come up to any of these fibs here and then see more manipulation down to finish up our Y wave in a WXY correction for our subwave 2 of 3, or we manage to get above the 78.6% fib sitting at 0.614, and then we can confirm our breakout to the upside, and then we can say that this over here was our bear trap, and we can go ahead and continue up for our inverted head and shoulders pattern. You guys see, this is what an inverted head and shoulders pattern looks like, right? You have your neckline or your horizontal resistance, your left shoulder, your head, and then your right shoulder. This is the exact same pattern XRP is doing, but what I'm trying to show you is that we're still below overhead resistance, so just be cautious when taking highly over leveraged longs. Coming back to my previous analysis, I did say that I do think that the bottom is in on XRP. The macro bottom is in. So it looks like we got the hard part over with, and now we're just consolidating on the small time frame before we find the next trend direction, right? Because this over here would be considered your first leg in the market, going back to January 2023 up to July, and then you have a WXY correction for your wave 2. Okay, this is your wave 1. This is your wave 2, and now we're grinding out our third wave to the upside. I hope you guys enjoyed the XRP video today, and if you guys want to stay updated with the XRP analysis, along with having the ability to look at the long-term roadmap and stay updated with the small and high time frame wave count, then definitely click the link in the description below to join the Discord. Peace out and take it easy. See you in the next one.